Hey everyone, this is Kyle with AEI Corporation. Today I'm going to show you how to clean the pilot on your Patio Comfort Heater. If you're having trouble lighting your heater, the pilot is one of the first places you will want to check. The small hole that allows gas through the pilot orifice can become clogged with dirt or debris. But don't worry, it's an easy fix. All you will need is a Phillips head screwdriver, or a drill attachment, an air compressor, or a computer duster. The steps we will cover in this video apply to both our liquid propane and natural gas heaters. Now that you know what you'll need to complete the job, let's get started. The first step will be to remove what we call the emitter grid. To accomplish this, remove the screws as shown. Next, remove the emitter grid and set aside. Now you'll be able to see the pilot, which is right next to the main burner. Making sure you have eye protection, point your air source down into the pilot body as shown and engage. You may have to do this a couple times to clear out some of the more stubborn debris. Now it's time to test the heater and see if our work was successful. As you can see, it started right up. While you have the emitter grid removed, I always suggest cleaning out the main burner ports as well. Point your air source down into the burner ports as shown and engage. Now that the heater is clear, it's time to reinstall your emitter grid and reflector. Finally, you're ready to fire up your heater and enjoy. Now, if your heater still doesn't work, contact our customer service team for further assistance. AEI is here to serve any of your outdoor heating or grilling needs.